Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable the memory fusion option on your Android device. So basically, what is the memory fusion? The memory fusion is a new feature introduced to Android devices that allows you to take unused data from your internal storage and add it up to your RAM. So I'm just going to be showing you how to quickly do this, guys. So firstly, head over to your settings application. Then from your settings application, then go to the special function. Then you see dynamic port and the memory fusion. Then click on the memory fusion and turn it on there. So once it is on, you just click the set virtual RAM and set the amount of RAM you want to add to your RAM. So once you click on it and click on modify, your phone is going to restart and afterwards it's going to add to your RAM. So that's just how to do this, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.